It's not been easy. When will this finally end? Let's have a chat, everybody. If you're holding Cronos, crypto.com, CRO, I find that some people like videos like this where we just say like it is to the point, because I'm not the only one who looks at the market right now. We look at Crow and we are like, this sucks, right? Not what I was expecting price-wise, but I'll get to that. I see our community. I see what we're building. I see the company behind it, Cronos Chain, Cronos Labs, Crypto.com. Why are we so down? Why are we not like other different chains? Well, everybody, the market's it's not only Crypto.com. It's not only Crow the price, but it is affecting some people. The fact that people are swapping, people are leaving, people are just capitulating. And I have some good news. What are the good news? Number one, we're back to a 10x to $1. 10-cent Crow right now. It wasn't like that because we got all the way to close to 18 cents Crow a few months ago. So that was obviously less than 10x. But now we're back to 10x $1. That's the target that I've been saying for such a long time. Maybe we can go much higher, right? I think all of us, we believe that. But let's get to $1 first. And number two, it's not a Crow dedicated problem. It's not a Crow dedicated issue. Pullback. The whole market is down. But when we look at Crow and we say, man, I've been waiting forever. This token does nothing for me. You're right. Price-wise, CRO is not being the greatest investment ever. You go 1 year. I did it earlier today. 1 year ago, the year-to-date or the 365 days return on Crow is like 88%. You compare that to Binance. Binance, I believe, was at 100 and something percent, which is much higher, obviously. And then you take a look at the meme coins, spread 16,000%, and other ones. It's like insane. Imagine buying Cronos dedicated, only fully Cronos. Bad news, you're just not making any money, basically, right? Because other meme coins are absorbing that liquidity. But that's when we talk about Cronos memes too, because in the last few months, we've been able to make so much money. We're actually holding. We're obviously down in some positions. Am I worried? Am I concerned? Not really, because I know the risk when you start buying on meme coins, right? Obviously, I'm not going with all my Cronos, but I do want to get some positions, delicious, serious positions. So when the time goes right, I make some good money eventually. So there's a lot of things, guys, to say. It's a frustration, right? That's one of the reasons I'm here taking some days off from the office. Even though I'm not currently at my place, I'm still recording and keeping you guys updated because that's what I love to do. And I appreciate you guys stopping by because the Crow fam has to be united. And we're always trying to build, we're always trying to add more value, thoughts, ideas, and bottom line, Crypto.com, I believe, is going to be one of those companies that are stellar at what they do, and we just have to be more patient. But Oscar, I've been patient since 2022. What else am I supposed to do? I know, fam. It's tough. One of the reasons, if you realize why Crypto.com added that 20% APY on Crow, remember? Now it's, I believe, 10%. Now you got Loaded Lions, Dark Lions, you got all kinds of different events and opportunities that private Crypto.com users or, whatever. The point is, they understand that if you're holding CRO, you're basically not making much money, you're losing some, and there's other opportunities and even other exchanges, right? Binance, 100 billion or less, 90 plus billion by market cap. Cronos cannot even hold 3 billion or so. It's real. But I'll tell you guys, I'll continue holding Crono no matter what. You might leave, you might find some other project, you might say, I just quit. Goodbye, Cronos. That's fine. You can do whatever you want with your money. But whoever's listening to this video, I'm here for the long term. I'm not leaving CRO. I'm not leaving Cronos. Not because they pay me big, but because I really like this chain, and I think the company in due time, we could have a tremendous success, not only with users, but also with the value that the application, the card have, especially those new countries like Ireland that we just got earlier this week. So that to me is extremely bullish. That to me makes a lot of sense to the question, when will this end? I watched a video by my friend Austin Hilton about Shiba Inu, when will this end? And I totally agree, right? Because Shiba Inu community, they've been waiting too. Pepe community, they've been waiting too. Cardano, XRP, I mean, basically everybody. But not many people make Cronos content, and I'm one of those content creators that I love this subject. And because of you guys, we've been able to grow so fast when it comes to Cronos and in our space and on X. And I've been trying to put it and tell you guys, that so much that we have seen in the last couple of years when it comes to burns. Right now, there's another 50 million crow burn. Is that gonna do something to the supply? Of course not. Of course not. We are in the billions. That just tickles a little bit. But if the engineers say that it's necessary, let's go ahead and do it. Bottom line, I feel the frustration. I know it's difficult. People are gonna leave. More people will start swapping to other different tokens. But in due time, I'm positive my investing on CRO is gonna pay off. With meme coins, once they start listing native Cronos projects like Mary, as they did with Crow with Knife, and of course with Crow appreciation, because BNB is doing decent. I think Cronos can easily pass $1. Join the $1 Crow Party group, link down below, completely for free. Join first link down below, Loxalgo, when to buy and sell, different alerts, guys. So you never miss that opportunity when to get in on a good position. Like I say, good news, guys. Right now, at 10 or 9 cents, depending when you're watching this video, you got a 10x to $1. And eventually $1, that's what we did in the last bull market. Isn't that amazing? Because it's gonna be so easy. When the altcoin season comes and when all that liquidity, that volume, that money comes from Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the way to the major altcoins. So just wanted to tell you this, guys. I don't really know when this frustration and delay and pullbacks and, eventually red market blood on the streets will end. But if we look at the cycles, right now we're in the bull market accumulation zone per se. As long as BTC is under $100,000, not much that we can do so far. We have to break that 100. We have to finally get it out and start seeing the Bitcoin dominance come down, price go up, and that's how altcoins are gonna start rising. I'm bullish, and I'll tell you guys, Crow fam, we'll continue here saying it like it is, and I appreciate you guys stopping by just with another real update, man. Don't know when this is gonna finally come to a much better place and everybody's gonna come back to Cronos when it comes to buying Crow, but we'll be here. We'll be early. We'll be holding, and we're gonna let all of those retail people pump us up so we can finally become Crow millionaires. That makes sense, guys. Join, take a look at the links down below, support the channel, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.